Good morning, students. Today we will study about pressure. Till now we have already learned about forces. Broadly speaking, force can be divided into contact force and non-contact forces. Further, contact forces can be divided into muscular and frictional forces, and non-contact can be divided into gravitational, electrostatic and magnetic forces. Now today we will study about the pressure. Pressure is force upon basically the pressure upon area. Now see, pressure is force per unit area. The unit of force is Newton, area is meter square, so it's Newton per meter square. This is the unit for the pressure basically. And we know pressure is directly proportional to force. Pressure is directly proportional to force and it is inversely proportional to area. What does it mean? The more the force, the more will be pressure. That is directly proportional. Pressure is directly proportional to force. More the force, more will be the pressure. Same way we say that pressure is inversely proportional to area. Inversely proportional means more the area of the contact, less will be the pressure, because it is inversely proportional, and lesser the area, more will be the pressure. So now we will give some examples how the pressure is directly proportional to force and how it is inversely proportional to area. And this is the unit for the pressure, and it is also expressed in pascals. Okay, PA, pascals. Now pressure, as I told you, it is force upon area. Pressure is force upon area. So some numericals based on pressure may also come. You have to remember its unit. This can be the unit, SI unit. Then Pascal also you can express pressure in these unit, because the area of the the SI unit for force is Newton and for area is it's meter square. So same way you can note down for the pressure. Now see how when I said that pressure is directly proportional to pressure is equal to force upon area. I said pressure is directly proportional to force and inversely proportional to area. So how come? Let's see some examples here. For example, here you can see how this nail, which is having a pointed end means here the area is very less. So lesser the area, more will be the pressure, and it will get inside the table or the wooden plank easily, because the area is less. Imagine if other way round, if the nail would have the blunt end like this, so area would have been more. So more the area, lesser will be the pressure. So it would have been very difficult for the person to insert the nail inside the wooden plank. So the idea is pressure is equal to force upon area. If you apply more force, obviously pressure will be more. Okay, because they are directly proportional. But if area is lesser, pressure will be more, because they are inversely proportional. So pressure is directly proportional to force and pressure is inversely proportional to area. For example, in this case, Kuli is holding the luggage, but at the same time he always uses one a round piece of cloth on his head, because this increases the surface area. So more the area, lesser will be the pressure. He will feel the less pressure because of the more area. So that's why he generally uses this kind of round piece of clothes. Same way you must have observed in case of your school bags, you have got the broader straps of the school bag. Imagine if you in case you have the very narrow strap of your school bag, or this is case 1, or you have the broader straps of your school bag. Okay, so here the area will be more. So more the area, pressure is equal to force upon area. So more the area, it means lesser will be the pressure. So you will feel lesser pressure if the school bag has the larger width of the strap. Okay, and in case if the bag is having a narrow strip, it means lesser area, so you will definitely feel more pressure, because pressure is inversely proportional to area. More the area, inversely means more the area, lesser will be the pressure, or lesser the area, more will be the pressure. That is the meaning of inversely proportional. And when we say directly proportional, it means directly proportional means more the force. For example, pressure is directly proportional to force, so more the force, more will be pressure. Lesser the force, lesser will be the pressure. So thank you very much. Revise well.